He's so happy to help. Y'all, I have the cutest kids ever. I don't even care if you think your kids are cuter. I'm just kidding. But really, they're so cute. Lachlan's... Okay, we've had a stomach flu for a week and a half. A little over a week. And we're finally over it. And so Lachlan just wants to help. Like, he's just now starting to feel better. Hey, you missed some spots. Look at all that poop. Oh, poop. Oh, he needs more money. You need more money?
Should we?
Yeah, rinse that poop off. It'll get baked back on. Anyways, so we actually got out of the house today for the first time in a while. In over a week. We got up. We got up and put clothes on and got out of the house.
I'll hold it and you pull the trigger.
What are you doing? Say hi. Hi. She yanked the shoe off, silly girl. Where's your shoe? Where's your shoe at? He's so cute. Oh, and Lachlan's new favorite word is actually. He says, I actually want to do this. I actually need this. Actually. And he'll say actually like 3 times in a sentence. And it's really, really cute.
Alright, here we go. Gonna spray you?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll watch you. Ready?
He says, I need you to wash me. It is 70 degrees today in January.
Yeah, you do. Alright, a couple more minutes left, okay? Go. Alright, it's almost time to stop. Keep spraying. Just keep making money.
Do you see it? Anyways. So yeah, my kids are really cute. And I'm so happy that we're well. And Trevor is a really good dad. What, do you want your balloon? Here's your balloon.